Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Whichever time you are watching my channel, welcome. This is rebarenee7, and I would like to share with you a bit about my channel. I've had my channel now for over 10 years, but I've been out due to personal reasons. But I'm back now, and I would like to create videos that will share my life as I age gracefully. I would like to share with you my family, my job, my beliefs. I would like to share with you my clothes as I try to find things that will be age appropriate, things that will be, modest, something that will complement me and my body shape. And I would like to help others. I would like to share with you bargains, discounts. I know that there were things that we went through that we should not have gone through, especially in the United States. But we went through them. And thank God a lot of us are coming out now or have already come out of it. I don't want to see anyone else go through what we went through, as in paying too much for a product, item, whatever it was. We spent too much money on things that we should not have spent. I don't want anyone to suffer, to struggle, someone to benefit off someone else's misery. I want to be of help, as in to help my family as well as help yours. To create videos that will be beneficial to my viewers, for those who are unable to venture out at this time, and to those who may be able to venture out but not aware of what is available in the stores when I do get a chance to go out. Because I'm not trying to be out in everything either, but when I do go out, I will be able to hopefully record some things in the stores so that you can be aware of them and be able to make your purchases online. I would love to do some more hair tutorials or share with you the items that I purchased for my hair. I haven't done those in a while and just started back doing those. So hopefully they will be something that you will be interested in as well. I want to thank everyone who have been with me from the beginning, who are still here. I want to thank those who have recently joined. I want to thank you for staying with me for the time that you have. And I want to thank those in the future who are coming, who are watching this video right now. I thank you and I welcome you. Be blessed.